Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to make such a bullet trail effect. This effect shows the trajectory of the bullet, and the two subscribers asked me to make such effect, to show how to make such effect. To create this effect you need only one texture. Just create a new image and go to Filter, Render, Difference Clouds and save this. Import this image into Unity and set alpha source from grayscale. Then create a new effect line, place it above the ground and set distance, for example 15. After that create a new shader, for example use universal rendering pipeline, so I create a lead shader graph. I will name it tracer. Then create a new material from this shader with the same name and add this material to the line. After that open this shader and set it to transparent with render face both and disable cast shadows. Then create a new node UV, split this UV, then subtract value 0.5 and use node absolute. After that multiply it 2 times and invert it. And you can add this to base and to the alpha color. And here is a result. A line that transparent on the sides. Then you can multiply this with a texture. You need to create a new texture parameter. I will name it noise. Then use styling and offset and create a new node, sample texture 2D, and multiply these two nodes together with RGB channel and do the same with alpha channel and add this to base and alpha color to transparency. Now you can use your noise to multiply it with this line. Also you can change texture mode to tile and set texture scale, for example to 0.15. It's a good decision for long distances, because no matter what distance your trail will remain constant, because without it, with stretch, the texture will always move. So use tile texture mode. You can also add some moving for the trail. Just add a new node, tiling and offset. Then use a multiply node, multiply time with some vector2 value and add this to offset. I will use a value from vector2 from the material parameters and multiply it with time. Save this, go to your material and set your speed. For example, this speed will be 0.1 and forward speed will be 0.5. Okay, I need it to move forward, minus 0.5. Okay. Next that we should do is to make a smooth appearance for this trail. You can do it by using node smooth step, and you need to subtract some value from the alpha channel. For example, float value that slider from 0 to 1, and after that use saturate node, because we don't need values above 0, and add these two in entry inside smooth step node. Also add a new float, for example dissolve softness, and also make it slider, and set it to default value to 1, and add this to edge. I don't remember which edge exactly, so let's check. Okay, I think I should add this to the second edge, and now we can dissolve our line just by using this noise texture. And with different softness, the result will be different. For example, this can be used for tune effects. And one more thing, if you need to change the color of the trail, for example to something else, you need to add a vertex color to the shader. Just multiply RGB value with vertex color itself, but use split node to multiply it with alpha channel. And also, if you want to increase the emission for this trail line, you can add a float value, name it emission, set it for example to 1, and multiply it with RGB value. Save it, and now you can change the color of the trail, for example this or this color. Also, you can increase the emission for this trail. It's only left to make a script to create this line during every shot and control these dissolve values. So just create a new monobehavior script, open it, delete these lines of code, and add a new public line rendered tracer. After that, you need to check. I should wait. You need to check your shader names. For example, I have this path dissolve name. You need to copy it, and also a dissolve reference. You need these names for your script. Then go back to your Visual Studio, open GitHub Copilot chat, and use the same names for your prompt, and wait for the end. Press skip all changes, and let's see the result. Open Unity, just wait for compiling, and set line use word space. After that, add the script to your line render object and select the same line. And now you can check how the script works in play mode. Just press play, go to your scene view, and press enable. Okay, I will disable noise because I think there is some problems with this noise. And without noise, this line looks like this. Good dissolving trail. Also, I will add a link to the description of the video to my Patreon page, so you can download this effect with a good script, with good noise, and without any bugs. So you can test it with this controller, and also with the heat effect that looks like this. So hope this video will help you to make your FPS game, and see you in the next one. Goodbye.